In this video, I will tell you how to avoid fees on Kraken, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. To minimize fees on Kraken, what you need to do is use Kraken Pro because it allows you to leverage free fiat deposit and withdrawal methods. Now, you could also consider a Kraken Plus subscription for frequent trades, and you need to avoid instant buy feature on standard Kraken app, which comes at a higher cost. Kraken Pro offers lower volume-based market maker fees, which are significantly cheaper than 1% flat fee on instant buy-sell transaction on the basic Kraken platform. Now, to get the lowest possible fee on Kraken Pro, you need to place your trades with limit orders. Now, these are not immediately filled like the market orders, and this makes you a market maker, and market maker fees are always lower than taker fees. Also, on Kraken Pro, the more you trade over a 30-day period, the lower your maker taker fees become. Now, also, if you want to deposit money into your Kraken account, it's always advisable to use the ACH method because that comes at a lower cost. Please avoid adding your debit card or credit card to Kraken, as that typically comes at a 3 to 4% charge. And also, you need to research the withdrawal fees of your cryptocurrency that you are using or you're transacting on Kraken. Those are ways to avoid fees on Kraken. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.